Here we are starting off with a brand new sneaker. We highly recommend you clean it 24 hours prior to painting it in order to ensure maximum adhesion of the paint. You really want this to last, especially if you're wearing them. First thing you want to do is tape up the shoe. Even if you're an expert artist, take caution. Perfection is perfection. If you don't have a steady hand, masking it will help. We've used frog tape here. You can use whatever tape you have on hand as long as it doesn't leave a residue. You can always check underneath the sneaker, remove the tape. If it sticks, it's a no-go. If it doesn't, you're good to go. Next, you'll want to use your deglazer. Take your time here and get all of the edges. If you don't coat it with deglazer, the paint is not going to stick. Use the deglazer and take your time. Get all of the edges. If there's no deglazer, the paint will not adhere. Here we started with the black. You want to paint 2 or 3 light coats. 2 suggestions here. Make sure you allow the paint to dry in between each coat, or else you will end up with blotchy paint, or even worse, it'll run on you. We suggest painting everything that's going to be, let's say, black, in black. Don't switch on and off in between colors because you'll definitely have to clean your brushes in between. Now you want to start with your second color, and so on. Repeat the steps. After this, you want to detail the entire shoe. Detail, detail, detail. Make sure you go over everything. Unmask and remove the tape once you've completed detailing. You'll find a detailed description of all the supplies we've used to create this sneaker art below. These look amazing. Throw the laces on. We're going to end with an acrylic finisher, and you want to use a clean or a new brush when doing it. Anytime you're putting paint or any other coating, you want to allow anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes for drying. This was episode 1 of Custom Agents. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.